Hey guys, today we're going to be installing this 105 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery by Vatrer. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to connect these batteries. Now once you connect this battery in, it is zero maintenance. The only thing you need to follow is a few helpful tips. If you don't charge this battery below freezing, and when you put it in storage, you bring it into a room temperature environment and just leave it at about 80% state of charge. Next spring, put it in, charge it up and use it. No water levels, no nothing, no dirty, stinky. You can even charge it indoors. You don't have to leave your cart outdoor because of the off gas from the lead acid batteries. You can actually put this right into your garage and charge it up, no worries. Simple installation procedure. There's a positive, there's a negative. This battery here actually has a display module that you can put up on the dash, and we have Bluetooth, so you can pull it up on your phone and see what it's doing as well. So let's get to installing this, and then we'll take it for a boot and see what it does. Now as you can see, this is inside of my battery bay. My golf cart is a Yamaha, so I just have one long tray. The old lead acid batteries would sit side by side throughout the tray. So this Vatrer battery is actually a little bit wider than my tray. So my plan is to just butt one end down in here and have the other sit on top of this lip. And then I'm just gonna ratchet strap it for now. You can make some sort of template or some sort of bracket system to actually bolt it down. Just may have to do a little bit of customizing to make sure it's locked down. But strictly for this test video, I'm just gonna ratchet strap it down, and that'll be good enough for me for right now. So this battery here does weigh over 100 pounds. So you may need help to put it into your cart. And for me, that's the quick and easy install. So like I was saying, there's mounting points down here. So if you wanted to put both sides up on top of this rail and then run bolts down through and connect to the bottom of the tray, you can. But for me, I like it just like that. Fits in. I could actually get two of these in here. Could have one on this side and one on the opposing side and still have room to connect my lugs. I just got the one pack for now. And there we go. That is in there solid. So now all I need to do is connect my positive and negative to the cart motor. And I already actually have the battery charger installed. I'll bring you around and show you. It's just sitting on top of the rails. And then over on this side here, I already have the battery charger installed. So you would just connect that to the positive and negative. I have my wire running around. And on the outside here, I just have a plug with a flap. And you can see there, that's where you connect the extension cord. So for me, I have terminal blocks over here that these wires are connected to, and then to the cart, and that's where I have the charger connected. But you can also just put the charger right on here. So you'd put these lugs for the cart, the one that's going to take the most amps, on first, and then the charging terminal ring on top of that, and then your bolt. And then it's very simple. They have some of these protective caps to go over top of the wires. I like to do my negative first, and then my positive, and then put these caps over for protection, and that's it. So next what I'm going to do is plug in the display port. This is a connection that has ribs down in here, so you can't plug it in wrong. You just try and plug it in. If it doesn't work, then you just start to spin it. Once it finds its spot, then you just screw it on. And that's it. Now we can turn the battery on. Okay, let's turn the cart on, see if everything works right. There we go. I got to turn my radio off because the copyright. I don't want to start playing music. And you can see the display here for the battery itself. And you can see there we're at 99%. And over here you can see the amps, the volts, and the temperature of the battery. So if I put a bit of a draw on it, there you can see the amps going there. Okay, let's go for a drive. Ooh, and that is a lot peppier. Let's take a look at the amp draw while I take off. Okay, so we have a bit of an incline here. This is very difficult for some batteries because it's a high surge. Let's hit the gas and see if it goes up, no problem. No problem. Now let's try another hill climb, this time with a better mic so I can narrate better. So we're at a dead stop on the hill. And the battery didn't conk out. Let's try that again while already on an incline. So all in all, with this test video and driving this around, I'm very satisfied with this battery. I have no doubt it's going to last a very long time. No more having to buy new batteries every couple of years to replace the lead acids. This is a once-in-a-lifetime battery in my opinion. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed this test video. Leave a like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.